Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Google phone guys Bluetooth reset setting. So in this video friends we will talk about guys how to reset Bluetooth setting on Google Pixel phone. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how to reset Bluetooth setting on Google Pixel phone. So friends, now let's see guys how to reset Bluetooth setting on Google Pixel phone. So friends, first of all we will on Google phone setting. So friends, first we will on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click on guys your Google phone guys system setting guys. System setting guys. We will click here. After on system setting friends, you can see language setting, date and time setting is backup. Friends, you want to backup, so you can only backup my data from here. Friends, you can see reset option guys. Tap here. Friends, you can see reset setting, Bluetooth setting. So tap here friends, you can see Bluetooth reset setting. We will tap here friends. Now friends, you can see this type of interface on your Google Pixel phone. Confirm your pattern friends, you can see use your device pattern to continue. So friends, you have your pattern lock. Friends, you have any pin lock, and guys you have any password. Friends, you will have to enter password and you will have to draw your pattern to reset your Bluetooth setting. So friends, I will draw my phone pattern lock. After draw pattern friends, you can see reset setting again. Want to reset? Yes, want to reset. After 5 and guys 10 second Bluetooth setting will reset. After reset friends, now we can use guys Bluetooth setting on Google Pixel phone guys. So guys, we will on Bluetooth setting. So guys, very Bluetooth setting guys. So guys, connected device setting, tap here and guys you want to search. So you can search here guys Bluetooth setting also. So guys, search here Bluetooth setting and guys now we will tap here pair new device. So friends, you want to pair any device friends, you can see value device guys. Tap here and guys you can pair any device. Friends, you can check your device name you want to change, so you can change. So like the guy we can reset our Bluetooth setting on Google Pixel phone and we can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye guys.